In less than 2 minutes, we will talk about synapse. What is synapse? Synapse is a junction or a place where two neurons meet each other. Usually, we say meet each other or communicate with each other because they will not touch each other. There is usually a space between them or a gap between them, and this gap is named as what? It's named as synaptic cleft. And here they communicate with each other. These two neurons. The first neuron, usually it's named as the presynaptic neuron, and it must be a neuron here because this one will send the signal. When action potential or the signal reaches here, which is the nerve ending of the first neuron, what will happen here? The vesicles will start to move toward the membrane, and then they fuse with the membrane and they release the neurotransmitter here to the synaptic cleft. When the neurotransmitter released to the synaptic cleft, these neurotransmitter are chemical messenger. They are produced, stored, and released from the presynaptic neuron, and they go to the synaptic cleft. Then they bind to the receptor protein that are found on the postsynaptic membrane of postsynaptic neuron. When they bind to them, they do not go to inside them. They only will bind with them like a lock and a key. They open the ion channels and then allow the sodium, for example, to enter this cell. If the sodium entering this cell and it's in high amount at that time, this cell will be excited and will be a positive. But if it's open only a few ion channel of sodium, or it's open negative ion channel also, and allow the negative ion to go to inside this postsynaptic neuron or postsynaptic cell, or for example less binding occur between the neurotransmitter and the receptor protein, at that time we say that the postsynaptic cell will exhibit or inhibit and the signal will not generate.